So hi everyone, this video is about explaining the new feature that we have recently implemented, which is certificates or dispatching certificates to the attendees of an event. So I have created an event named as event in MakeMyPass, which is a demo event, and also we have two attendees over here. One is Hafiz and one is Adnan, and you can see that Hafiz is already checked in and Adnan is not actually. And also, to ensure the complete understanding, I have added a field which is named as check-in, and it is yes, and for Adnan it is checked in as no. So let us look into how we can set up a certificate. For the certificate, only should be shared with Hafiz or the person who is actually checked in, and the certificate should not be dispatched to the other person or the one who is actually not checked in at the event. So let us have a look into it. So over here under the event page there is something called certificates right now. So what you have to do is just click over there. So I have already created a certificate template already. So for now I will be showing how we can set up something like this. So we have an option to add a schema over here, and once you click it you will be able to upload your template of the certificate over here. So make sure you have already created a template for your certificate in your design, and it should be in PNG or JPG format, and I will be uploading the certificate over here. And you can see that there is something called layers in the right side, and you can actually add a text layer over the certificate. You can see that. So for now I am taking the name only, but you have a bunch of other details over here which can be used to implement as a text layer over the certificate you are actually uploading. So I'm choosing the name from here, and you can see that it is currently left aligned, so I need to make it center right now, and I would like to increase the font size to 80. So I'm just increasing the font size and ensuring it's actually centralized over here, and I'm actually making it as a bold, and max lines are as a 2. So these are already set, the design is already ready, and I would like to set the certificate should be shared with the checked in users only. So there is something called a visibility condition over here. So once I click the generate only when condition met enabled, I will be able to set a condition over here. So for here I have created a check-in which is selected as in different conditions over here. You can see that. So I'm clicking the equal and I'm setting it as a yes. So those who actually checked in will be able to see this particular certificate, or these people will be getting the certificate generated, the others don't. So let's have a look how it actually works. So I'm hitting this save button over here. So now you will be able to see the certificate like this, and once you click it you will be able to see the checked in details that we have provided. So once you came back to the guest list, you will be able to see the certificate which is already added over here. There is a button called view certificate. Once I click it, I will be able to see the generated certificate for the person called Hafiz, and you will be wondering about whether the other person actually having a generated certificate for him. So let's have a look at it. So over here I'm just clicking the view certificate button, and you will be able to see there is a certificate is unavailable, so that there is no certificate has been generated for this person. So how we will be dispatching this certificate is the next question. So we have an option like post events. We can actually send emails to the participants and the non-participants. Make sure you have checked in the participants correctly. So this certificate, this email will be shared with the particular checked in users, and this will be shared with those who are actually missed it. So how to customize these templates? So we have a bunch of built-in templates over here. You can see that there is after one thank you and after one sorry. So this particular mail will be shared with those actually checked in, and this will be shared with those who actually missed checking at the event. So I will be editing this particular template. You can see that I am just adding something like certificate URL, and I will be selecting the certificate URL from the left side. So you will be able to see this particular variable will be generating the certificate URL for this particular person. So I'm updating the email, and coming over here the post event, I can actually send the participant certificate right now. Okay, so I am clicking the post event mail, and then we will be able to see the mail log over here. You can see that the mail is already shared, and we can see that the link is over here, and I'm actually opening the link in a new tab, and the person will be able to see the certificate easily, and they can actually download the certificate and they can use it. So this is how it actually works. So hope you understood, and if you have any queries, feel free to reach out to our support team, and yeah, that's how easily you can set up certificates for your event. And yeah, that's about it, and thank you.